How can organizations ensure production parts meet the highest standards before mass production? The Production Part Approval Process Assessment using eAuditor offers a solution. Discover how this digital approach standardizes approval, captures real-time evidence, and efficiently manages discrepancies. PPAP assessment is crucial for validating parts against design and quality standards. It ensures compliance with ISO and IATF regulations, identifying defects early to avoid costly issues. This process maintains digital records for traceability and continuous improvement. Key objectives include validating specifications, ensuring compliance, and identifying early defects. This drives continuous improvement and supplier accountability. The assessment covers documentation review, including engineering drawings and material certifications. Dimensional inspections verify tolerances and functional performance. Process verification ensures quality gates and control plans are followed. Production analysis involves trial runs and defect tracking. This comprehensive scope ensures all aspects of part approval are thoroughly evaluated. Create a checklist in eAuditor with part details and assessment types. Configure validation points with yes, no, or not applicable responses. Capture evidence through comments, photos, and documents. Align assessments with customer and regulatory standards. Integrate internal procedures for comprehensive digital assessments. Verify engineering drawings and revisions match specifications. Review material certifications and test reports. Validate supplier quality and process capability. Confirm traceability of materials and components. These critical points ensure parts meet all necessary standards before approval. Classify defects as critical, major, or minor based on severity. Record non-conformances with photos and detailed comments in eAuditor. Assign corrective actions with clear deadlines and accountability. Track completion and closure digitally to resolve issues before approval. Generate audit trails for compliance and improvement. Generate detailed PPAP assessment reports with compliance status and corrective actions. Analyze recurring issues to improve processes and enhance part quality. Using eAuditor for PPAP ensures parts meet design and regulatory standards, boosting manufacturing quality and supplier accountability.